Hello and welcome for another video. This video is more announcement rather than hard repair. So the announcement is I have a new board now in my life, and as you know, the first month is very difficult to find the free time to repair stuffs. I will try my best to upload as many as videos as I can, and I want to tell you I have a very good video coming up. I bought 15 broken Nintendo DS, DSi, DS Lite. So thank you for being here and thank you for being patient. I will try my best to upload more videos.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's float for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine.
To clean everything you want in the device, always use isopropyl alcohol. It's called IPA, and always it must be 99%. Thank you for being here. So if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.
Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with